Hello students, welcome to your 5th math class. Today we are doing brain teaser. Question number 4, find the value. All terms are in the mixed fraction form, then convert it into the fractional form. 5 to the 10, 10 plus 3, 13 by 5 plus 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 minus 8 to the 16 plus 1, 17 by 8. Now find the LCM of the denominator. Denominators of first number is 5, second is 2 and third is 8. Now find the LCM. We divide it with the prime number smallest 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Now again 2 is the prime number, divides the 4. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 divides the 2. But 2 could not divide the 5, that's why we write 5 on the place of 5. Now divide it with the 5. Now 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. It means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. LCM is 40. Now we have to convert all the denominators 40. 13 by 5. 5 multiply with the 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 5 multiply with the 8, then denominator become 7 by 2. 2 1 2 erase from this, and what would be left? 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20. That's why we multiply it with the 20. When we multiply 7 with the 20, 140, and 2 with the 20, 40. Now 17 by 8. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 8 multiply with the 5. From here we also can check. When we multiply 8 with the 5, then 40. 17 multiply with the 5, that is 85. Now simply solve this. 104 by 40 plus 140 by 40 minus 85 by 40. Now firstly we have add these numbers. 104 plus 140 upon 40. When we add it, it becomes 244 upon 40. Now we will subtract this. 244 minus 85 upon 40. When we subtract, these numbers, we get 159 upon 40. Now fifth question is word problem. Statement of this question is Sheetal needs 1:1 by 2 meter red ribbon. Length of red ribbon is 1:1 by 2 meter, and 3 by 4 meter yellow ribbon. The length of yellow ribbon, that is 3 by 4 meter, and 1 meter black ribbon to make a doll. How much black ribbon? That is 1 meter. Red ribbon, yellow ribbon and black ribbon. Find the total length of the ribbon needed. Total length of the ribbon. Total के लिए we will add these numbers. Now firstly convert it into the mixed fraction to fractional form. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1. 1 has no denominator, that's why 1. When we find the LCM of 2, 4 and 1, we get the LCM 4. Now convert these numbers denominator into the 4. 2 multiply with the 2, we get 4. 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. And when 3 by 4, it is already 3 by 4. Second number 1 by 1 multiply with the 4, we get 4 by 4. Now we will add 6 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 4 by 4. Now add only numerators and write the denominator as it is. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13 by 4. It means she required 13 by 4, or convert it into the mixed fractional form. 4 3s are 12. It means 3:1 by 4 meter ribbon is required. Now sixth question. Statement of 6 is Renu's mother bought 5 liter of milk. Total milk. How much milk she bought? 5 liter. 2:1 by 2 liter milk was used for making sweets. Used for sweets. 2:1 by 2 liter, and 3 by 4 liter for making tea. Used for making tea. 3 by 4 liter. How many liter of milk is left? अब left milk कितना रहा? 5 लीटर टोटल था. टोटल में से 2:1 by 2 मीटर तो यूज़ किया स्वीट्स के लिए, एंड 3 by 4 यूज़ किया टी के लिए. तो दोनों हम वहाँ से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. नाउ सॉल्व दिस. फर्स्टली राइट इट इनटू द प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म. 2 2s are 4 or 1, 5 by 2. In this 5 has no denominator, that's why we take 1, and next is 3 by 4. Same way 1, 2 and 4, when we take the LCM it become 4. Now convert it into the 4 denominator, multiply it with the 4, it become 20 by 4. When we multiply 5 by 2 with the 2, it become 10 by 4. It means we get 20 by 4 minus 10 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Firstly, we will subtract these two numbers. 20 minus 10 by 4. 20 minus 10, it is 10 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Now we will subtract this. It becomes 7 by 4. And when we convert it into the mixed fraction, 4 1s are 4, 3 is the remainder, 1:3 by 4 liter milk is left. Now seventh question. Seventh is reduced it into the lowest form. 8 by 12 is there. Now we have to convert it into the lowest form. There are two methods. If you know that 8 and 12 both come on the same table, then cut on the same table. 2 4s are and 2 6s are. Again 4 and 6 comes on the table of 2. 2 2s are, 2 3s are. 2 and 3 now not comes on the same table, therefore 2 by 3 is in the lowest form. One way is this, you have to cut down the numbers, and the second is 8 by 12. You know both are come on the table of 2, that's why we divided with the 2, and the answer come 6 by 4 by 6. Now again 6 by 4 4 by 6 come on the table of 2, that's why we divide, it comes 2 by 3. Let's see the second part. Now I will do whole questions with the cutting method. 35 and 63. 3. And both the numbers comes on the table of 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 9s are 63. Now their lowest form is 5 by 9. The C part is 44 by 99. Both 44 and 99 come on the table of 11. 11 4s are and 11 9s are. It means 4 by 9 is the lowest form of this number. Last question of this part is 6 by 10. Now 6 and 10 comes on the table of 2. 2 3s are, 2 5s are. Now 3 and 5 not comes on the table. Same table. Therefore, their answer is 3 by 5. Now your 7 questions are completed, and the next question we will do on the next video. Thank you.